Are you an intermediate guitar player that's stuck in a rut? Are you not sure how to break out of your pentatonic box? Maybe you're having trouble with rhythm playing. Maybe you're having trouble coming up with your own chord progressions. Or maybe you just want to get faster playing around the guitar neck. It's all good. I make music fun again by getting rid of the frustrations, the anger, and the jargon that are holding you back. Basically, I do all the hard work for you, and I just give you actionable steps that you can put into practice to make your playing better in as little as 10 minutes or less. I'm Nick Morrison, and I help intermediate guitar players get better, faster, without the hassle and stress of music theory. I love the guitar, and I'm just so excited to go on this journey with you. Here's the 3 things that you can expect from me. Real-world strategies you can apply to your guitar playing right now so you can be a more confident player. Speed strategies for playing and for learning so you can accelerate the process and feel more excited about your playing than ever before. And lastly, the essential techniques and secrets that you need to know to play your favorite songs so you can join a band, play with your buddies, or maybe just strum around a campfire. I've been playing guitar for over 30 years now, and professionally for over 25. I was educated at Berklee College of Music. I've toured all around the world. I'm an Amazon #1 best-selling author of guitar method books and a composer for film and TV. I've even worked with clients like AMC, NBC, Warner Brothers, Harley-Davidson, and Google, just to name a couple. But it wasn't always sunshine and roses. I was sitting there, just like you are now, frustrated, angry, hurt, and my hands didn't want to work. Life sometimes gets in the way of our musical dreams and aspirations, doesn't it? I was in a car accident a long time ago that entirely stopped me from playing guitar, and I had to relearn how to approach the guitar in a way that was simple and effective. I took all of the knowledge I had and applied it to accelerate my learning and playing, and now I want to do the same thing for you. So, if you stopped playing guitar because life got in the way, and now your hands don't work quite like they did when you were in high school and first learning to play, that's okay. If I can do it, so can you, and I'll show you how. So if this sounds good to you, if you're an intermediate guitar player and you're stuck plateaued, or maybe you're just getting back into playing now that your kids are a bit more grown up and you finally got a little bit more me time, you've come to the right spot. Subscribe now, and I'll see you in the next video.